A raid in the middle of the morning prayer. Without prior notice, 150 police officers stormed the Mevlana Mosque in Berlin's Kreuzberg district.
Just as we started our prayer, someone started shouting, "Police! Police!" When we finished, we were shocked to see so many officers.
The raid was part of an investigation into alleged coronavirus subsidy fraud worth around $80,000. Public prosecutors say it was directed against 3 individuals who applied for the aid in a supposedly unlawful way. Claims the mosque has immediately rejected.
Questions regarding our aid application could have been clarified by simply asking, or it could have been rejected. Instead, they've conducted a raid like they do with terrorists. Our mosque and community do not deserve these allegations.
Worshippers who come here regularly have criticized the way the operation was conducted, calling it pure provocation. Officers walked in with boots and let their dogs search the interior, disrespecting the sanctity of a place of worship.
They're just looking for the tiniest reason to defame Islam and Muslims. Their unfair treatment deeply saddened us.
The Muslim community is disappointed for good reason. In 2014, there was an arson attack against the Mevlana Mosque, yet no one has ever been charged. At least 15 mosques were attacked in Germany from April to June alone. The Muslim community says racist attacks are not investigated to the same extent as other crimes by German officials. They also say, in comparison to similar fraud investigations, this raid was disproportionate. For the search in the $65 billion CumEx scandal, Germany's biggest tax fraud scheme in history, only 15 officers were involved. Turkey, meanwhile, has strongly condemned the raid as disrespectful.
I strongly condemn the police operation at Berlin's Mevlana Mosque, which was carried out at the time of morning prayers. It was clearly racism and hostility towards Islam. It's taking Europe closer to the darkness of the medieval ages, which completely